on the clock.
We got a rookie. You know how to stick it in, right? You don't got kids, so probably may need to guide him. You know what I mean?
Oh, hell.
What he did? He dropped it?
Yeah.
Dang, bro, you got nervous, bro?
Better reach in that. It's the only one we got. We got more. I'm being an asshole.
I ain't got no magnet. I paid $1 for that. I gotta pay that.
Straight in that, boy. You can hit your hand in that murky ass, nasty ass shit. You ain't gotta see, just feel.
Yeah, feel, bro. Come on, man. Act like it's a coochie looking for the G spot.
Feel for that.
Ah. All right, well, this ski right here, Eddie.
There you go. You found it. Right.
Good job. All right, get this with one hand. Ah. So this ski I was riding, I was going to take me like 10 miles an hour. I had to put it in cruise control to go 8. That's because mosquito was sinking. While we're here, let's see what can be causing it to take on water. All right, it could just be that that thing in mud. You know that. So that's what happened. So I'm assuming it's taking on water here because it looks like the housing. Can I put it here? Let's see. Yeah. That actually is not a hard fix. Some fiberglass work. So that was an easy find. Now, if she would have said that, that would have been fixed. Because it's simple. We do body work, we do fiberglass work. That's nothing. So this is War Memorial Park. I don't have my floaty, so I don't feel like going for a swim. But just look at it cuts off. You think that they could have went a little bit further? You see all them deep gouges in it? How many people probably went off this? Actually, a few people did when I think about it. That's crazy. So we're gonna swap the skis over, get ready for the weekend. I actually don't know what all I'm doing this weekend. I'll probably fix the RXT 300 and start putting back together my 215, which what I was gonna do to the 230, I'm gonna do to the 215, and basically I'll sell the 230 and sell the RXTX 300 once it's fixed. Because at the end of the day, I buy and sell skis. That's what we do. We buy and sell skis. Fix them for people, you know, Jet Ski Worldwide, you know, you need your boat fixed, cruising, mobile marine, body work. This is funny. Body work, Caribbean skis, jet ski rentals, Caribbean skis. Yeah. Matter of fact, what I'm gonna do, by Monday, I'ma post on this same canal here, the same lake, that video you see with me on the yellow and black ski in the beginning on the intro, me on this river here, on this canal, channel, whatever, and when that ski sunk. And I got dragged in, and the ski is on the getting pulled in, and you just see it floating, sinking slowly into the water, and we get it around. But it's no chit chat for right now, so we are going to hit you with a so the rookie's over there trying to get off the ramp. Oh, look, he finally got off. All right, let's see if I can keep my hat, my glasses. This ski that was giving a little problem since it was disconnected, so let's go.
That's how you ride. That's how you ride.
Oh man. So, ski seems to be riding nicely. You see, you can barely see the gauge. So yeah. Alright, now which side? Alright, no, I could just jump up on the alright, that one clicking, so let me go in this one because he's about to come. And as always, perfect. Oh, hey, that boy like a straight pirate. Look at how the hat bent.
Arr, matey.
That boy a true buccaneer right now. Yeah, man, get on the goddamn trailer. Right here. Come on, bro, now I gotta edit that out. Nah, leave him like chemo. Chemo may watch this. Oh! Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good. Cut it off, pull the lanyard out, take the vest off, and step away from the vehicle.
Big facts.
What is it called? Tamarack? Nah, Tamarack. Or near Tamarack. Andrews and stuff. These big old snails. I don't know how you can get ran over when I came down the first time because I was on this side.